Moving on to 23, integral from 0 to pi over 2, cosine x over sine squared x plus 5 sine x plus 6 dx. So how do we approach this one? Hopefully you see that it might be a good idea to make a substitution first. Let's let u be sine x, du would be cosine x dx, okay? Then if we substitute, we got to change the limits of integration as well, so I did that as well. Okay, now from here, the bottom is factorable into u plus 3, u plus 2. Hopefully that's a hint as to use partial fraction decomposition next. Okay, so I won't go through all the details for the partial fraction decomposition. You can pause the video to check it out. And you can, of course, check out my crash course in partial fraction decomposition video. You would find b equals 1 and a equals minus 1. Again, I'm going to skip all the details. So then you write your integral like this with those coefficients you found. And these are just logs. So it becomes ln of absolute value plus 1 minus ln of absolute value plus 3, evaluated from 0 to 1. Do fundamental theorem of calculus. Get ln 3 minus ln 4 minus ln 2 plus ln 3. Honestly, I would accept this as the final answer if I were the grader or instructor. But just to show you, you can combine all these, okay? ln 4 is the same thing as ln of 2 squared. By properties of logs, you can pull that exponent out. So 2 ln 2. So you have minus 3 ln 2, okay? And then ln 3 and ln 3, that's 2 ln 3, okay? You can move this actually back inside. So I kind of went roundabout, but yeah, just go slowly. But you can put this back in, so that's ln of 3 squared, which is 9. And this is ln of 2 cubed, which is 8. Okay. And then by properties of logs, ln of a minus ln of b is ln of a over b. So ln of 9 over 8. Okay. So if your instructor is picky about simplifying, this is how you would simplify it. Again, I would believe that most instructors at this point would accept from here this as your final answer. Maybe combine the ln3 and ln3 into 2 ln3 to make it a little nicer, but again, I personally would just accept that as the final answer. Okay, hopefully this was helpful. This wasn't too bad. You just had to make a substitution first. And then it was partial fraction decomposition from there. That was familiar territory, hopefully. All right, please like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Really support the channel. Hopefully I see you in the next video for number 24.